Trees are like the lungs of our planet. Through their leaves and bark, they absorb harmful pollutants and release clean oxygen for us to breathe. Trees help clean the air we breathe, filter the water we drink, and provide habitat to over 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. Trees play a key role in capturing rainwater and reducing the risk of natural disasters like floods and landslides. Their intricate root systems act like filters, removing pollutants and slowing down the water's absorption into the ground. A mature evergreen tree can intercept more than 15,000 liters of water every year. Forests provide jobs to over 1.6 billion people, absorb harmful carbon from the atmosphere, and are key ingredients in 25% of all medicines. Depending on the kind of food and shelter they need, different forest animals require different types of habitat. Without trees, forest creatures would have nowhere to call home. Trees help cool the planet by sucking in and storing harmful greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into their trunks, branches, and leaves, and releasing oxygen back into the atmosphere. A single tree can be home to hundreds of species of insect, fungi, moss, mammals, and plants. Since humans started cutting down forests, 46% of trees have been felled, according to a 2015 study in the journal Nature. About 17% of the Amazonian rainforest has been destroyed over the past 50 years, and losses recently have been on the rise. This is Mu'izz Bukhari, and we are on a mission to mitigate climate change and empower the lives of others. It's been more than a year since we initiated the Food Project and the Clean Water Project under Sakeenah Foundation, through which we have helped many less fortunate families in Sri Lanka by distributing food packs to them and also helping them gain access to clean and safe water. It has always been a dream for us to be instrumental in helping others with the essentials of life, namely air, water, and food. Given that we had already commenced food and water, we were really looking forward to the tree project through which air was to be addressed. So now we are really excited to share with the world that in January 2020, we commenced the tree project with an initial phase of planting 250 trees. So a few weeks ago, my team and I, we traveled to the interior villages towards the north of Sri Lanka and initiated this phase. And for us, it is not about just planting trees, despite that alone being a huge step towards giving back to the environment. But what we have in mind is to do so much more. We hope to empower the lives of the local communities by getting them involved and by empowering them with jobs in cultivating and maintaining these trees. Because we believe for the project to be sustainable, it has to be handled by locals at a ground level. And on the long run, another empowerment measure that is in place is to help the underprivileged from the local community as well as surrounding villages under the food project through the harvests that come through these trees. 250 trees is just the beginning. We hope to plant 1 million trees through our tree project, insha'Allah, with the help of Allah. And now from a spiritual perspective, the rewards that one stands to accrue by merely planting even a single tree are just mind-blowing. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is reported to have said, "No Muslim plants a tree or sows seeds and then a bird or a human or an animal eats from it except that it is recorded as a charity for him or her." And this hadith is recorded in the book of Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim rahimahumullah. And bonus, this is considered a beautiful form of sadaqah jariyah, a continuous form of charity. And this tree, let's say you plant one tiny sapling, for as long as you are alive, and even after your death, and for as long as the tree exists, you are going to be accruing rewards. You're going to be accumulating rewards. Just imagine, someone sits under the tree, enjoys the shade of the tree, you're going to be rewarded. Let's say someone eats from the tree, you're going to be rewarded. In terms of the tree purifying the gases around us, the tree giving out oxygen for us to breathe, you're going to be rewarded. The tree contributing towards mitigating climate change, you're going to be rewarded. A bird perches on a branch and pecks away at a fruit from that tree, you're going to be rewarded. The animals that benefit from the tree, the animals that take the tree as a habitat, as a place of shelter, you're going to be rewarded. So it's just mind-blowing. At every level, you are going to be accruing rewards. So therefore, I invite you to join hands with us in creating a positive impact, giving back to the environment, and empowering the lives of others. We are a passionate team of people who aren't afraid to get dirty for a good cause. So join hands with us.